an event happening this weekend to tell you about. It's called Sounds of Harmony. It's happening Saturday at 6 o'clock in the evening at the Joe Ratliff Lifelong Learning Center. The event is a fundraiser by the Muhammad Mosque number 45 here in Houston and the MUI Musical Department. Joining us to talk about it tonight, Dr. Abdul Maleen Muhammad. Glad to have you here on The Factor, familiar guest here on The Factor. So tell us about this event, and when you guys have this event, obviously it's a fundraiser, what are you hoping to achieve at the mosque?
Well, once again, it's the sounds of harmony. And what we've been listening to in this whole program has been dissidence. So we're hearing about jokes and beefs and domestic violence and all of these things. We need some good news in this city, this state, this country, and this world. So the Sounds of Harmony, normally I'm on here, it's about social justice, there's something going on. But here's a gift to the city of Houston of a side of the Nation of Islam most people don't get to see, which is about 13 of our youth that we're bringing in from across the country. We're talking pianists, we're talking cellists, we're talking
the best of the best.
The violinists. And then we have our local artists that we're going to draw from here, one of which that I was going to bring to us, Symphony Pringle. She's a cellist, and others, piano players. We're going to have spoken word. So it's going to be a very nice program. It's one of those things you want to get dressed up to the nines, you want to come and be a part of it, and you'll see that side of it. You know, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan is an accomplished violinist, and he was long before he ever came into the Nation of Islam. And one of the things that we found is that music is universal. If you just close your eyes and you listen to someone playing the violin, you can't tell whether they're Muslim, Christian, Jew, agnostic, black, white, brown, red, yellow, gay, straight. What you hear is music. Music is a healer. Music is a uniter. And so we want to invite the whole community out, regardless of your persuasion, to come on out and be with us on that evening. Yes, it's a fundraiser because we have to pay to bring these young people in, and their chaperones and their parents, and of course pay for them to come in. But this is a performance that will start here in Houston, and it will tour around the country, and we intend to make this an annual event for Houston every year. And once again, I just think it's something that we celebrate our youth, and we have that universal message, which is music.
And of course, many people don't expect this when we talk about the Nation of Islam and what you guys do, but this is an attempt, or I don't want to say an attempt, but this is an open door to everyone. Come here, hear this music, where we're not taking sides, where we're not getting political. We're just enjoying music, which brings people together.
That's true. Well, you know, in the previous segments you had on,
everybody was fighting.
We see, there's politics. There's politics divide us. Even in we're trying to proselytize religion, oftentimes it divides us, or our way of life. We oftentimes find ourselves clashing. But here's an opportunity for us to sit together and to hear and to celebrate these young people, and to celebrate the universal sound of music, and so that we can, you know, in a sense, maybe for 2 hours, 2.5 hours on Saturday night, we can have some peace in this city and bring it together. Now, I know it's an unusual source, but, you know, we got to have more sense than the wino, you know. The wino on the corner doesn't care what the label on the bottle says. The wino wants to know, is there some wine in there?
Is it wet?
We got some good music for them, Brother Isaiah, and we're looking forward to a wonderful program that's laid out. Normally, I don't come with paper, but laid out. Professional conductor. These children are amazing, and our local young adult participants are going to be amazing. So they're going to play classical music. There's going to be a little bit of everything for everyone, and they're going to be surprised. So with them downtown symphony people, orchestra people, y'all come on, sneak on out and come on, be a part and hear what we got.
They're poaching your people.
Hey.
if they can make it, they can make it. Yes. Okay, really quick, tell us the details again, where you can get tickets and all of the details of the event again this weekend.
Again, it's this Saturday at 6 p.m.
And we have it up on the screen there.
Okay, the Joe Ratliff Life Center, 13033 Landmark at 6 p.m. You can go to noimusicalensemble.org. That's noimusicalensemble.org. Sounds of Harmony, and you can click on and you can get your tickets. And if you want to just sponsor some tickets, we'll definitely bring some people in your place.
All right. Thank you, sir, for joining us here on The Factor. We appreciate that.